In the feed section on the home screen, copy the feed URL. Go to your Roku developer account and select your Roku channel. On the Roku channel page, click on Feed URL. Paste the feed URL and click Save. Next, click Feed Status. On the Feed Status page, click the Refresh Now button. This will ingest all your content from your content feed. Click on the Refresh Now button after 2 minutes to see if the status changed. Once it's done, you will see a message listing the number of items that were ingested successfully. Next, select Categories from the drop-down. On the Categories page, select From the Feed. This will set your Roku channel to pull in the categories that you defined on the OTTfeed platform. Click Save. On the Roku channel page, click on Preview to see if everything looks good. Since we've changed the content feed URL, we need to publish our Roku channel. Check I certify that and the Schedule Publishing button. In the pop-up window, click the Schedule Publishing button. Congratulations! Your Roku channel is scheduled for publishing. This is a one-time setup process. Once your Roku channel is published to the Roku store, it will ingest the content automatically every 24 hours.